Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Star Atlas.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Star Atlas DAO, and it's going to be an interesting video for you guys. So take notes, and it's not financial advice, so always do your own research.
And just before this video starts, a quick note: this video is being recorded on the 18th of November because we have to record 2 weeks in advance for 2 of those weeks because we will be on holiday during that time, and we still want to be able to push videos out for you guys. So yeah, sorry about that. Just telling you guys in advance. So as you can see here, it's a very small market cap project, and it is also a metaverse project. So therefore, obviously, it's got a lot of opportunity due to all of the hype around metaverse right now. Obviously, due to Facebook changing their name to Meta, and just all the talk in the news and media right now with metaverse and everything. It's definitely got a huge opportunity, just all metaverse projects in general. But the only issue is a lot of projects are now being created for metaverse, so there's obviously going to be huge competition for this, and also a lot of volatility, as you can see here. It's just to be expected with anything like this, especially new type of things. That's why it probably is a good idea to check our older videos out on OVR, as that's a good metaverse project, and also Decentraland Manor. We've both done videos on them months ago, and they're great. But yeah, so as you can see, if we look in the past month, which was when metaverse has really started popping, it seriously had exponential growth from this. It was literally 8 cents, and now it's all the way at it went all the way to 20 cents. So that's a huge gain right there. Um, so its all-time high was actually 2 months ago, which was 27 cents. And for it to go back to that kind of market cap, we need about $400 million to flow into the market for it to break its all-time high, which really isn't too much at all considering what the project does and how far they've come in the project so far. So if you're actually looking to purchase this project, it's currently still not on Binance or Qcoin, which is good, means you'll be early into it, as that's where the majority of the retail buyers will come from, is all Qcoin and Binance. So if you're using FTX, Gate.io, etc., it's great. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
As you can see from the website, the structure of their page is amazing. Their layout is literally top notch, and I don't think it can get any better just from looking at it. And it just gives you that, this project will definitely blow just from looking at the project and how good they've actually structured their page. And many good projects, okay, one thing that you need to consider is how good their page actually looks like and how much time they actually took in spending that page. And that's one of the thing that people don't really look at and they kind of like disregard it. But from what we can see here, this is only a $200 million cryptocurrency, still a relatively small project, and it still has a lot of opportunity to continue to move higher. And just from looking at this website, you can almost tell that it is going to be doing very, very well within the upcoming future. And they've got a lot of different stuff on it and a lot of different features on their page, which kind of gives us an understanding of where this cryptocurrency wants to go, their white paper, and everything that we want to be talking about in this video. So they've got different sections. They've got the leaderboard, marketplace, inventory, events, and
So as you can see here, it's obviously a space metaverse game. As you can see, literally just from looking at the website, it's very space themed here. So here's all the NFTs. So you have the ships here. So obviously you have the rocket ships all here. You got structures all here. So this is like the platforms in space. Then you got like collectibles. So you got the people and things like this, and then obviously access badges and things like that. So there's loads of NFTs, and I can really see it all working together in this game. Like it's all really, it just looks like it will really work well. Everything's really nicely structured and stuff. So as you can see, this really is unlike any other metaverse project. Most it's just, yeah, you can buy land, you can buy NFTs in the game, but this is, it seems like it could actually be fun to play. It's not just about like the project itself, like the investing side of it. It's actually a good project, if that makes any sense. As you can see, they've got like their different factions, which is like teams, I guess. So you got like your Euster, however you say that, sector. You got your Oni region, and you got your Mud territory. And as you can see, the total asset values are absolutely huge for this. Um, and there's a lot of players as well, which really gives you an idea of how big this project is getting. It's just bigger and bigger. There'll be organizations coming soon. And then you can see, as you see, top player $1.2 million, $468, which is crazy. And they're in the only faction. So it's just really cool website. It's a really cool project. They've got a lot going on. And it's definitely worth keeping your eye on, 100%. Definitely worth keeping your eye on. And join the Discord, talk to other people that are playing it, and just get a really good feel for how it all works. It's definitely best to do your own due diligence before you invest in this type of project or even play it, to be honest. So that is now it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.